streets, and sidewalks. Delectable tastes, meals, and presentations tempt passerby with their offering of tacos, pizza, hot pretzels, hot dogs, french fries, subs, and so on. Related insurance coverage includes property, inventory supply, general liability, products liability, and auto liability. Coverage and related premiums, though are tailored to the individual vendor throwing and any other related nationwide insurance companies to optimize and customize commercial protections. Food serving truck. Similar to the street vendor but with its own set of individualized coverage needs as a result of its mode of truck commode. The food serving truck is also equipped with a city, town, or a municipal business license to operate, providing a full menu of hot and cold food and snacks to its hungry customers. The food truck requires the shielding coverage of the vendor and more property, inventory, supply, general liability products, liability, auto liability, and as well as actual truck insurance coverage. Of course, interested parties are best off delving deeper into the related insurance matter with a professional that has his or her best interest in mind and has the ability to make him or her into an educated insurance customers. Bon appetit. In today's society, having a home-based business is as easy as ever. From childcare facilities to made-to-order baked good enterprises to online shops, it certainly seems that practically everything fits into the home business box. But while business at home may be booming for many entrepreneurs, something is definitely lacking, erroneously believing that the standard homeowners insurance will cover them for any liability that could occur. This businessman may actually be sitting in a booby-trapped illusion, just waiting for the accompanying risk exposure to explode into possible financial devastating. For the most part, typical homeowners coverage will not comprehensively protect the business that is located within the premises, created to conform to standard home liability situations. This firm is to insurance has definite limitations in terms home business coverage. The following insurance claim cases serve to illustrate the matter in a questions and answer form. What happens if a fire damages the inventory of an online business operating out of the business owner's house? A tailored commercial insurance policy will cover the loss up to the business personal property limit. Will the home business plan protect the business owners from general liability like a trip and fall incident with a customer? This form of business policy will definitely cover the loss, something that otherwise is excluded from the owner's general homeowners policy. What about business equipment within the home where the business operators are related pieces of equipment covered? If something like a theft occurs, the home-based business policy will provide recompensations to replace any item up to the limit of the policy. So what will happen in the event the business owner leaves his home business premises for a trade show or other related commercial event? Will the coverage protect him at the alternate located? Unlike a standard homeowners policy, this form of indemnity will protect the based business owners for a mishap like a trip and fall incident even away from the home business premises. If the business that operates out of the home is registered as a corporation for tax purpose, will the business policy designed for operations out of the owner's house cover him for her or any related losses? Opposed to a standard homeowner's policy that will not protect anything other than what is officially owned by the policyholder. This commercial insurance will cover property losses. For further information about insurance for the business at home or commercial auto or delivery truck used for home business based, contact a reliable dependent insurance agent. If you are involved in any way with the insurance industry, then over the last few years, you would have heard an incredible amount regarding a company called Gable Insurance, and they have had a profound impact on both the way that insurance is written now and also the amount of knowledge that the client themselves have of their insurance policies. A few years ago, the insurance market, especially within both the leisure and constructions industries, were flooded by gable insurance writing policies that were both way below the market norm or premium, but also written on unrated paper, with them being unrated with the United Kingdom and instead having their businesses being run from Liechtenstein. This didn't seem to faze most clients, who were more than happy with the monetary saving on their policies, that they didn't question the paper on which it was being written. Flash forward to October 2016, and Global Insurance has officially entered into administration's, meaning that every broker that placed business through Global Insurance now has a very big problem on their hands, in that they are every clients that are currently insured by a financially unstable company, and that in the event of any claims they are not assured to be paid out, meaning that although the client has saved on their premium, they may end up having to pay themselves in the event of any claims being made against them, leaving them more out of pocket than they could have been if they had been rated and secured papers. At first, this wasn't something that had a time limit on, but it was recently announced back in November that all policies that were with Global Insurance would expire on the 16 December 2016, and all covered would cease at midnight on this date, meaning that all policies would need to be replaced by this date and with another insurer. That has left insurance brokers around the country scrambling to find rated insurance that can cover the trades that Gable Insurance were covering, with and without a huge increase in the premium. Although, due to the fact that the main reasons Gable Insurance were so bad for the industry was that they were writing business at a premium that should never have been done, so clients are going to have to understand that the that they will pay will increase as the financial security on the insurance policy increases. Is there anything more beautiful than nature's floral combinations contributions to the world? For the professional florist, the alluring colors of blue, green, red, pink, purple, yellow, white, and all hues in between make a creative work experience. Unfortunately, there is more to being involved to the Industry then a talent of pricing together to an attractive boutique or arrangement of flowers that could fit in a scheme linked it to the Garden of Eden. As any as in any business, there are defined risks and this line involves specialized hazards that are related to the trade. This is the reasons that the florist must include the primary points of insurance coverage into the all-encompassing protective policies. What are they? See below for a constructed explanations of defending insurance. General liability. This coverage is necessary to protect the floral shop owner from liability in the event of a mishap that causes injury to customers or workers while in the business premises. For instance, if a shopper trips, falls, and breaks his arm while entering your establishment, you will be liable for the damages. If a delivery man gets hurt while driving your commercial van on the way to bring flowers to a wedding, you will be liable. Business equipment. The florist relies on his computer for placing orders, keeping a check on inventory, sorting data, communicating with customers, and so much more. If the computer system breaks down, business will be put on hold, and so will the involved income. Moreover, any equipment related to the industry such as the fridge where flowers are kept at a cooling temperature